Imagine waking up in your dream home, a place where mornings are quiet, the pace is slower, and every day feels like you finally made the right choice. This is the home we are going to see. Half an acre with so many good features. Just by looking in the front here, look at this. You have a beautiful, beautiful landscape. And then going with the Las Cruces, New Mexico desert theme. Here it is. Look at this. You have some maguey, agave, and then cactus. Not only that, but this beautiful home has mountain views of the Oregons. I'll show you to the right. You have RV access with solar panel that can, it opens the gate solar. All right, this home has way too much. Let's go inside. So if you worked your entire life for comfort, peace, and simplicity, then this is the video for you. This is not just another house. This place is designed for your next chapter, and I'm going to tell you why. Today, we're touring this beautiful home in Las Cruces, New Mexico. A single-level home built for calm, comfort, and a stress-free life. Look at this paved, look at all this. You have several ways to go into the house, which is fantastic. I love these vigas that stick out of the ceiling like that. For added shade, this was built. Look at this. Now, from the moment you arrive, this house feels warm and inviting. The courtyard welcomes you immediately sets the tone. No noise, just peace. This is a one-of-a-kind home where you take a breath and it just feels like home. Let's go inside, because so as soon as we come in, we have this large living area. You have the large kitchen. Let's just go into the kitchen, because this kitchen is the heart of the home. You have granite countertops, gorgeous, gorgeous space, and an open layout that makes perfect for quiet mornings, family visits, or relaxed dinners. This is where the conversation happens and all the memories are made, especially if you love kitchens like this. I mean, this is like a chef kitchen. You have so much space with so many upgrades. I love that it's vented. You have the dining area on this side. And they got shutters, right? They got blinds. No, really nice. So if you love cooking, this would be the ideal home for you, because you can be here cooking, the family's there, your friends. Hey, so this is where I gotta stop the video, please. If you have not subscribed, I know it means nothing to you, but it does mean a lot to us. We're trying to grow our channel, trying to hit 2,000 subscribers. So please subscribe, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. My wife is Tanya, my name is Cesar, and we would love to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces. They have a beautiful fireplace right here. And I love this enclosed patio. Check out this enclosed patio. Look at how large this patio is. You have another way to come in through that door. We'll go outside right now, but look at this. I mean, if you want separation, if you want your own area, then this is where you could easily, this area is not heated or cooled, but you could easily add a mini split so you can have heat and cool in just in this little area. It's fantastic. Ceiling height 10 feet, beautiful. Let's continue seeing the home. Okay guys, so we'll feature, this is a 3-bedroom, two and a half bath home. This is a full bath right here. It is shared. Tile all the way to the top. Look at that. Beautiful. Has a large, this is the bedroom number 3. Love the closet. Now this is the other bedroom over here. Now I really like this feature on this bedroom because you have access from the outside. So this could be, you know, someone's coming in, a rental, I don't know, whatever you like, but it has it's the door so you can access the outside with the closet there. So this here is a half bath for the guests. Let's go ahead and go into the washer and dryer area. Look at how many cabinets. Skylight for all this natural light. I love that the washer and dryer are on pedestal, but if in case there is a water leak, it has a drain that'll drain out instead of draining into the home. So that's a wonderful feature. Now the garage, wait until you see the garage. Once we go outside, I'll feature the garage, but let's go ahead and continue to go into the primary bedroom. You got 10-foot ceilings, fantastic. So I love that the primary bedroom is separated, split floor plan. 2 bedrooms on that side, 1 bedroom on this side. Here's the primary. So your primary bedroom, it is a private retreat. It's large, peaceful, and it's filled with a lot of natural light. This is the primary closet. Love all this natural light. Now the bathroom, it does feel like a spa, and let me tell you why. Look at this. Look at that, a soaking tub for long, relaxing evenings. You know, you can have your favorite drink, get in there and just relax. Double sinks, custom cabinets, beautiful. There's even a private outdoor access for perfect for morning coffee or watching sunsets. We'll see that right now. I just want to show you the shower. This is more cabinet space here. And this is another enclosed patio. This is fantastic. You know, I don't know, plantarium, grow plants. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments, what will you use this area for? Let's go out. Let's go outside because this home has so much to offer. So this home has 2,369 square feet on half of an acre. Half of an acre. And let's go outside because you have beautiful, fantastic views. You even have an enclosed gazebo. What? Yeah, an enclosed gazebo. Check it out. I want to highlight that this is actually a water feature. So this water feature here, you actually turn it on and water runs down here and it just recycles it. So you have a beautiful, nice water feature. I love that it has this grass. There's a gated. Zoom in. There's a gate there. Wonderful for your pets. All this. So I want to highlight the backyard because the backyard has a lot of fruit trees and they give fruit. We're talking about apples, apricot, cherry trees, plum, pear. Guys, all this on this beautiful house. This is the gazebo. Now you can easily add a spa here. It's so enclosed and private. You can easily just put one in and relax, right? That's what I would do with this. But you can tell me, the previous owner had plants all over here, beautiful plants. So love gardening. So that's why that was built. So let's continue with the tour. So all those trees around the property. Remember, you are on half of an acre. Over there, the neighbors are far out, as you can see. And then there's pecan trees. Those are pecan trees. This is one of those homes that you can just really stargaze. If you like doing that, you're out from town like 5-7 minutes away from downtown, 7 minutes away from downtown. So you can just relax out here and then just stargaze if that's what you like to do. I mean, it's so peaceful and tranquil out here. They also have this shop right here. I guess it's for storage, but I also want to show that. Good size storage. Now, if you are a car enthusiast, you're going to like this. This is a 3-car garage, and I love the fact that there's so much space in between. So, you'll be able to open the doors and won't hit the car next to you. I love the fact, look at this. Now, this garage can be heated and cooled. It does have a mini split. So you can just close the doors, work on the car, work on whatever you have. And it doesn't matter what the temperature is, how cold, how hot, this would be a fantastic place. 3-car garage, so much space all around. You have an instant water heater right there. You don't have to worry about it, which is fantastic. This home also has something that not many have. Let's go look. You like storage? Well, look at this. You want another owned space? Look at this. The length of the garage. What would you use this area for? Let us know. Comment. It has that closed cell foam. This is another view of it. Right? I mean, guys, let me know in the comments. What would you use this area for? It's just beautiful for storage. I get it. But it's the length of the whole garage, which is fantastic. So, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Let's go back down. So, this is situated on half of an acre. So, this property gives you enough space to breathe, to relax. You want space. You want your neighbors not so close. It's not like all those new homes that are being right next to each other, bleep, 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 and you feel you're all trapped. Not this home. This home, and we're going to do a drive with the community because this area has the homes where they have like half of an acre or more of land. And I wanted to show you the solar panel right there that for the gate opener. If this home speaks to you, then give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be happy to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. This home is where the next chapter begins of your life. This home is so breathtaking that I'm going to take you back around where we came so you can see the house. All right, guys, don't leave. Let's go to the community drive.